gracious. It is wet out there. Well, looky, looky. Oh my gosh, finally, it's here. I'm so excited. Man, guys, I have something for you coming up in just a few seconds. Let's unbox it. Hey YouTube family, this is an unboxing of the Apple Watch 44mm Series 6 in gold. I'm so excited about it. Also, I've got an unboxing of the Nike Zoom Gravity. They just happen to be my favorite shoe, and the shoes match the watch. So let's get to it. All right, so I am so excited to see what the Apple Watch looks like with the Nike Zoom Gravity. I bought them as a matching pair, if you will, so I'm very excited to see what they look like together. So we'll start first with the Apple Watch Series 6. So let's unbox that first. Got a tab. Oh, look at you. Ah, lovely. Wonderful. All right, so let's get the plastic off. All right. So we have the Series 6, the gold aluminum case with the pink sand sport band. Pink sand, I love the sound of that. I got the 44mm, and I do have small wrists. However, I am a glasses wearer, and I wanted to try the 44mm because the bigger the screen, the better. So let's see what it looks like. I'm hopeful that it won't be too bad. All right, so we open that up. Ta-da! It's beautiful. I just love all of this. Look at that. Okay, we got our paperwork designed by Apple in California. I'm going to leave the watch for now. Let's pull out our charging cable. I don't have a brick this year, but most of us have a bunch of bricks laying around, but yeah, no brick. And here's the watch. I love this. Beautiful. 44mm. And it looks a little bit smaller than I expected. Honestly, I've been so nervous about it being too large for my wrist, and now that I see it, not bad at all, not bad at all. We have a band. Okay, all right, let's get that out of the way. It's the sport band. Now, you know, they have the solo loops this year, and I was a little iffy about the solo loops, and because I look at it and I think to myself, is it going to stretch at some point? The other thing though is that because I got the 44mm, and my size would have been a 2 or a 3, but because I got the 44mm, Apple does not have the solo loop in any size smaller than a 4. But for me, no worries, because I wasn't that keen on the solo loop. The burden of the buckle is just fine by me. So here it is, the band that comes with it. All right, we will just pull that. Yeah, remember that glasses wearing thing? Yeah. There we go. She's got it. All right. I'm making a mess on this table. Oh, forgive me. That aside, and here is our band. Isn't it beautiful? I love this color. It's amazing. As an adult woman, I love pink. When I was a girl, I hated the color. But now I love all shades pink. Yeah, it's beautiful. I love it. All right, let's put those aside. Let's get back to the piece de la resistance, the watch. Okay, so here we go. And let's see, how do we get this out of here? Oh, there it is. Beautiful. I feel like there should be some music, like this is some type of magic trick as I push it out. David Blaine or somebody should be here. Oh, look at that. Guys, she's gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. I love this color. Beautiful. Let's get our watch bands back. Gonna take out the small one. Part. Look at that. All that attention to detail. Beautiful. Okay. So I'm an old hat at this, so this side goes up at the top. That is what it looks like. .45mm. I like the size. I thought it might be a little obnoxious because, as I said, my wrists are small, but not bad at all. Got a size 9. I'm an 8.5, like on the money, but with Nike's running shoes, I always go a half a size up. I find that I get a better fit out of it. So I've got the Nike Zoom Gravity in black, a platinum tint noir, and then it's like a pink. They don't describe the color pink that it is, but I'm excited. I'm ready to go. Here we go. Zoom. I love the zoom. It's such a sexy shoe. Look at this thing. I just love all of this that's going on right here. I love it. And I love technology. And what I love about Nike is that they're serious about their tech and their attention to detail. Very similar to Apple. Beautiful shoe. Let's get the other one. Make sure we don't have two left feet. We got a left and a right. Lovely. Move that so you can see the inwards. I have, I think, maybe 3 pairs of these. So I do. I love the gravity. Honestly, anything Zoom. Anything Zoom, Zoom X, love it. I just love the comfort of it. I am a runner, but I also like to wear them just for comfort, for casual comfort. So these will probably be for casual wear. My feet will probably never run in these. So, all right, they retail for $90. But Nike's having a sale right now, so if you hurry, you might be able to catch a pair. It's a beautiful shoe. And matches our watch very nicely. All right, guys. I'm going to finish setting up the watch, but what do you think about that? Isn't that gorgeous? Move that box out of the way and put these girls front and center. Look at them. Guys, the Nike Zoom is my favorite running shoe. As I said, I am a runner, so I really do like these shoes, but I bought these particular ones for casual wear because they match the watch and I like to match. But I'm very excited. Like I said, I love the technology that Nike offers in their shoes. I love the comfort of these shoes. These shoes are so comfortable on foot, and they're great for walking. So I think especially if you have flat feet, these work really well. But look at the color. I love the flat laces. All of that. Beautiful shoe. Very light, very comfortable on foot. So here it is, unboxed. The Nike Zoom Gravity.